তোমার নাম কি?
My name is Abul Basar Sheikh, and the educated by and so I was the candidate in class BA first year. In honors, I had taken some honors in geography from this Netaji Subhash Open University in 2009.
তো তোমার এইরকম কন্ডিশন হওয়ার কারণ কি?
And so now it is unfit and like this crazy boy. The main reasons are the number one, so the money crisis and the lot of depression feeling, and so the second guideless, third position, and so the any other good guide and the leader also leaderless. The main reason four types were for this the very unfit and so like this mad and the crazy unfit boy.
কতদিন থেকে তোমার এই সমস্যাটা রয়েছে?
I have been suffering from for this 10 years of around from this mentally, and then now it is like the bodily also feeling suffering from this both side mentally and physically around the 10 years from now.
তুমি কি তোমার এটার জন্য চিকিৎসা করাওনি?
I did also treatment from this first psychiatrist, the Aliasan doctor, and the same coordinator, the B.P. Shah, the K. Dotto, also lot of number of 6 also doctor. I did treatment from them.
What do you want now?
Now I would like to do any official jobs and I would like to earn to get the money for this the future life and future condition to maintain very safely and very well. Needs money and other good job and official jobs. Some very experience to perform and to finish the official jobs. Very experienced I am now. Needs much urgent in your jobs and money.
What kind of help do you want?
Tell me.
What kind of help do you want to receive your treatment? তুমি তোমার এই জন্য কি ধরনের একটা সাহায্য বা তুমি ট্রিটমেন্ট নিতে চাইছো?
I would like to the given treatment, so the good guide I would like to for me and other good the official the light work the official job, another guide and the good guide good leaders for this maybe fit after I were got the three types also the enzymes and helper. Number one so the money and the number two also the jobs and the good guides helper. So the female or the man maybe either female or
do you want to help Mamata Banerjee?